by this bird. Watch it, pal. Look at the size of him, he's huge. Whoa.
Is that our little boy?
He's awesome. Mumbles, is he?
Mumbles. We've had him since he was that big.
Wow, he's unreal.
Beautiful, isn't it?
And does he get out and wander around here?
No. He sits up on the rock when he wants to.
He does sometimes if he walks over there.
He knows where he lives, so he's not a wanderer, which is really good because we've had two turtles.
A homebody turtle.
That's good.
Yeah, because he would wander off and wander under there if he wanted to.
He's never attempted it. In our other house, he used to come out and just he used to wander a little bit. But he always found his way back to his farm.
How cool.
Yeah.
So what filter's running all that?
I don't know whatever that is over there.
And you got to put your fish on a diet.
Oh, I'll tell my son that. How often should these fish eat?
In winter, I probably feed them once a week. In summer, I probably feed them 2 or 3 times a week.
Okay.
But we definitely don't want big fat belly like these ones. So we definitely want to reduce the food. This guy's not too bad. That guy's pretty fat, and then there was another guy I saw wandering around here that was even fatter.
The koi, I think, you were talking about.
Yeah, he looks good. He looks good actually. And meanwhile, this guy's still trying to bite me.
Just because she hates me here.
I'm not going near you, pal. You'd take a chunk. Is that an echolactus parrot? Hello. Oh, it's unreal. You know, Kemp's getting up there. What a cool feature.